Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video, we are going to see how to upload Java project to the GitHub. For that, I am using NetBeans IDE and I've already made a project, student grade, which is a J frame form. Okay, so let's start a project. Okay, so this is the project that we are going to upload to the GitHub. Okay, just test it before uploading. Stats. Okay, so this is the result we get. This is the project we need to upload to the GitHub. Okay, so let's start. Exit this code. Yes. Okay, for that, right click to this project, versioning, and initialize the Git repository from here. So define your root path, and yes, successfully initialized. After that, you have to again press Git and then commit the code. Commit message, write here your message, and already selected all files, and then commit. After that, you have committed the code. Again, go to this Git and sorry, remote. Yes, remote, and then push user. Okay, define a URL. So we will create a new repository. Create this repository. Okay, copy this URL. Paste here and write a password for your GitHub. After you have written, connecting to the repository, select the branch, next, finish. Click yes, so it will upload the project to the main branch, main origin. Okay, refresh this page, and yes, your Java project has been uploaded successfully to the GitHub. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for listening.